Hello, dear students. Hope you all are safe at home. Today, I'm going to start your new chapter of history, the Mughal Empire 1. First of all, I want to explain who were the Mughals. The Mughals. The Mughals were the descendants. Descendant means a person who belongs to the same family as somebody who lived a long time ago. So, the Mughals were the descendants of the Mongols of Mongolia in Central Asia. And these Mughals were tall, handsome, strong, and brave. And these Mughals developed a new art of warfare, means they learned a new technique of war, that is, the use of artillery. Artillery is a large heavy guns that are moved on wheels, and these are used by the army people in the war. So Mughals were the first who used artilleries. So with this advantage, they established a big empire of their own by conquering, by winning Turkestan and northern China. These Mughals had heard a lot about India's huge health. They know that India is full of wealth. So they wanted all the wealth. So they wanted to plunder it. Plunder means the action of stealing. Means वो इंडिया के सारा जो ज्वेल्स था उन सबको लूटना चाह रहे थे. So they wanted to plunder it. They made frequent attacks on India and continuously harassed. Harass means continue to annoy, किसी को परेशान करना. So they continuously harassed the Delhi sultans. As this we have already done in our Delhi Sultanate chapter, that Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. And Ibrahim Lodi was killed in a first fight. So with this defeat, the Delhi Sultanate was laid to rest, and the history of India added a new outlook with the coming of Babur, and this was the beginning of the Mughal dynasty in Indian history and laid the foundation of the Mughal Empire in India. So here are the list of the Mughal Empire and their classic period. Babur from 1526 to 1530, Humayun 1530 to 1556. Two time periods are given and there is a gap in between two periods. I will explain this when we will do the Humayun part. Then Akbar 1556 to 1605, Jahangir 1605 to 1627, Shahjahan 1627 to 1658, Aurangzeb 1658 to 1707. So these were the Mughal emperors and their period. The Mughal Empire was founded by Babur. Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur was born on 14 February 1483, and he founded the Mughal Empire after his victories at the Battle of Panipat and Battle of Khanwa. He was a direct descendant of Timur from the Barlas clan. Barlas means Kabila and clan means Vansh. So he belonged to a Barlas Kabila Vansh through his father's side and also a descendant of Genghis Khan through his mother's side. Ousted from his ancestral domains in Central Asia, Babur turned to India to satisfy his ambitions. About his victory at Panipat, Babur has written in his autobiography, Autobiography means the story of person's life written by that person only. So he has written in his autobiography, that is Tuzkai Babri, that the army of Delhi was laid to dust, means was laid to ground in the course of a half day, means in just a half day. And there were two reasons for Babur's victory. First one is use of artillery, and the second one is trained horsemen. So as soon as Babur's artillery opened fire, the war elephants of Ibrahim Lodi got frightened. With that sound of artillery, these elephants got frightened and they trampled down their own soldiers. Means they hurt their own soldiers. And the second reason, Babur had highly trained horsemen. Means he trained, and you can say he arranged his horses in such a way that these could be easily moved from one place to another in the battlefield. So this is the reason. This was the reason of for Babur's victory. And after Babur fell seriously ill, Humayun, his eldest son, was summoned. Summoned means called upon. Was summoned from his Jagir. Jagir is called land. So when Babur fell seriously ill, his eldest son was called from his land, and this Babur died at the age of 47 on December 1530 and was succeeded by his eldest son Humayun. Here is the portrait of Babur from an early illustrated manuscript of Baburnama 1589 to 90. And second is picture is of first battle of Panipat on 21st April 1526, which was fought between the invading forces of Babur and Lodi Empire. This picture is of Battle of Khanwa, which was fought near the village of Khanwa, about 60 km west of Agra, on March 1527, and it was the second major battle fought in modern-day India by the first Mughal Emperor Babur after the Battle of Panipat. Hope you enjoyed the session. Till then, read the related content and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.